Welcome back to the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. In this video, we make our own blanket ladders. At the Suburbanstead, Pinterest is both friend and foe. It delivers inspiration, but it also means projects. Blanket ladders is a perfect example. We first drafted a design and then we sourced the materials: wood, stain, screws, and some special features to top it off. Then we got to work. If you're going to build one, I suggest you build two. We cut all the pieces to length. We had two side rails at 6 feet each, and the feet have a 10-degree angle to lean against the wall. Each ladder also has 5 steps each at 20 inches in length. Here we're setting up to smooth out all the rough cuts and also round the edges using the Delta belt sander, which is mounted on one of the mobile workbenches. Fun times at the Suburbanstead. Check out this super slow-mo. Nice reaction time. All good. Cleaning up and staying organized is a cornerstone at the Suburbanstead. Here we're double checking that the feet of the side rail are at a 10-degree angle. To have more surface area when leaning the blanket ladder against the wall, we cut off 3.5 inches at that same 10-degree angle on the back side of the top of the rails. So here we're sanding down this rough cut. You'll notice those marks on the board. That's because I'm using a circular saw that's supposed to be an all-in-one blade. The reality is it works really well for cross-cutting, but not so good for ripping. So we're using a 40 grit sandpaper to knock it all down and 150 grit to finish it all off. The next step was to go ahead and mark off on the 6-foot side rails where we wanted each of the 5 steps, which are equidistant between them from the top to the bottom. We want the steps to be parallel to the floor when the blanket ladder is leaning up against the wall at a 10-degree angle. So we'll mark off both the top and the bottom of the step at that 10-degree angle on each rail. Here we're drilling pocket holes on the bottom sides of each step. And as we do on the Suburbanstead, we clean up all the time. Ready for assembly. Now we'll light up the fire pit and break out the branding iron. Here we're rounding the corners of the steps that are protruding beyond the side rail due to that 10-degree angle. For a more finished look, we're adding 1-inch textured iron clavos along the outside of the rails at each step. Nice. This has been another production from the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. I hope you found the video informative and entertaining. If you haven't done so already, hit subscribe and click on the bell to receive notifications when the next video is posted. Thanks for watching.